Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create home screen folders on Google Pixel 9. To create home screen folders, drag an app you want to add to the folder over another app you want to add to that folder, and the folder is created. You can add more apps if you want, and click on it to open it. If there's more than 9 apps, then you can slide through pages of the folder, and you can click on the name to rename it. And to remove an app from the folder, open folder, then drag an app out of the folder, like that. And when you drag all of the apps out, then the folder is deleted. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.